Alright, so what we have here is this house has some structural foundation issues. Alright, that beam right there is supposed to be matched up with the beam right here. It's supposed to be connected to that piece of wood, not going straight into a piece of brick. So the house, the subfloor, is collapsing onto itself. Somebody tried to, you know, stack it up with some brick right there, and it's missing some bricks right here. So it's one of them older style houses where the bricks, they use the bricks center block to level the house. And this is one of the things I was afraid of, you know, that right there. And I'll show you something else. You see it more right along here, because what's going to happen when that brick right there finishes getting ate up? This corner here will be in jeopardy. Now, you know, this stuff can be strengthened back up, but it has some serious structural damage, termite damage done to this house. You know, who knows what's going on with the roof part up there. I haven't gotten into that yet, but over here you see signs of moisture along there, like right up in there. Every single beam looks charred or wet, but you know, a lot of that can be from it not having gutters and so on and so forth. But it's got a couple of issues. And look what they tried to do here. They tried to shimmy the foundation of the house. So that looks crazy. You know, so you know, I'm just sitting here looking at this stuff. Don't understand it, but well, yeah, I do understand it. That's the problems. Let's look under here and see what we find under here. Alright, I'm pulling up on a deal that's for sale. The owner said that I could go in. I got a trailer this time for all you investors, for all you potential buyers. The owner said it was okay for me to go in. Alright, so the house is very stagnant. Everything been sitting for a while. Got clothes, everything, cans, but all that can be cleaned up. What I'm looking for is stuff like, what's going on over here? Counter's got all kind of mess on it. This house got very filthy. Kitchen is done. And what this shit is in the kitchen, I've seen worse, but damn, food and shit. But all this means a brighter deal. What's on this kitchen, I don't know. Termites or what the hell. But like I said, I've definitely seen worse. And all that means, you know, potentially a better deal. Plus the place is stagnant. So what I'm looking at is I checked the floors out. Got a closet. A few wasps in here, they done came in. As long as I leave them alone, don't bother them. I see light outside, so the ductwork and air conditioning must not be right. The floors have been done back here, or they tried to. Washer and dry hookup. Got a bad back. Damn, almost fell through the... Jeez Louise. Whew. Let me get focused here.